Alright, it's install day. Got the Thuren radius arms. Gonna go on the ram. Also, Thuren's rear shim kit. Going up 3/4 of an inch, right?
I think I'm going an inch.
Going up full inch?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Thuren recoils, the trucks sag decently when you have weight on them. But yeah, mainly installs on the ram today. I haven't even seen the truss. Dang. Looks good.
Had to modify the Carly diff guard in order to fit the Thuren truss. Cut off about 1/2 inch of the Carly diff guard that lips underneath. But integrated it all well, so.
I got Deavers ordered for the Raptor finally. +4s. I think they'll be here in a week or two. So, I'll be doing that, and I'm just doing 1.5 collars in the front for now. Don't want to waste money on springs and just wait to buy coilovers.
Badlands, first use, let's go. All right, we'll see how high this goes.
It's gonna roll into the shocks, just keep going.
Are we maxed out?
No, we're still going. There, you're maxed out.
Well, we might have to go underneath. A rapid pump.
Well, when you can't go up all the way. All right, let's do it there, because it's gonna get, yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, we gotta take the shocks off. Duh.
You doing lower mounts?
Huh?
Lower mount?
Yeah, just a lower. Fuck the tops.
Let me.
Oh yeah. You know what the problem's gonna be?
What?
Is once I put the shim kit in, I'm not gonna be able to get these out.
Man, go get a compressor.
I might.
That's fine. Now I can really be like, seriously?
Ah! That's heavy. Well, I got one out.
Alright, so you gotta remove the rear coil, drop the axle just enough,
Yeah.
take the rear shocks off.
I think these are the same. I think.
Look like it. Should be.
Let's see if these line up.
It's basically just the moving up the coil mount on the bottom, so it's not, I mean, it's like a spacer, but it isn't. Still gonna mount like it normally would. Whoa.
Those are off. Oh, let's see if those drop through. That goes there.
Yeah, oh yeah, I can easily push down on this. I've barely even pushed down with my hand. Good thing I've been working out.
Yeah,
Just kidding.
working out.
I have not been working
I
out.
think just like that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's a center spot, so you're good.
Yeah.
How much of this torque to?
Just on the sheet.
I'll get my torque wrench out. Got it in and torqued. Not going anywhere. Let's see if I can. Okay. Got it in. That was easy. I just had to push down on the axle a little bit. Put the spacers on. Drop it.
Fast?
Yeah. Oh, that's so smooth. You're still right back. Just kidding. Can't see on camera, but it's correct. Dude, you're like still almost level on this.
Your driveway kind of dips.
Yeah. Oh no, you can tell.
Yeah.
Nice.
That looks good.
That's where it should sit.
Yeah.
Because either that or go back to the 2-inch coils in the front.
No. I want that up travel.
Yeah. So what are we doing? Radius arm time?
Alien radius arm.
Radius arm's on the ground. You already seen it.
Going there.
We got the truck up already. Set up the way we've read before on Thuren, but now we can't find on how to do it.
Yeah, we're just gonna wing it.
Yeah.
If it works, it works. If it doesn't, I sell it.
transition. All right, we found Thuren's install instructions. What were they?
Easy 3-bolt installation. But I'm looking at these arms. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I guess we'll just figure those out when we get there.
First off, there's no more RSI on the Raptor. But I gotta get everything out of the bed now. I'm gonna leave the compressor for now. It's not like you can take it off very easily.
It's waterproof.
But with the first radius arm out of the Ram, they weigh about 4 pounds compared to like 100 pounds. Not even close.
Well, like, look, I mean, I can easily grab this one hand. I'd say that probably weighs like 25 pounds.
Yeah.
And I don't think I'm gonna even try.
I don't even think 25 pounds.
I might even try with the Thuren one. Ugh.
Is it that?
Dude, they're like 55 pounds or 45 pounds.
I feel like they're more than that. But yeah. Big difference.
And the dagger difference. Put the camera up in there.
Oh.
It's freaking hollow. Factory ones are hollow.
Completely hollow
With
up.
no interior bracing.
Yeah, that's all gusseted up. A lot more clearance for the 37s or the 4Ds.
I am surprised. I mean, I'm sure most of the bend is factory, but I am surprised they don't have any cracks. A lot of people have cracks on their factory radius arms, but they're also higher mileage trucks and probably live in a more rusty environment than here. Luckily, they don't salt the roads here, so.
I mean, realistically, they probably actually go off-road, not to Starbucks. So.
Yeah, I mean,
Dude,
that's why my truck has so little miles.
We got radius arms on. Got the caster all set too. Hopefully it drives good.
Yeah, they're perfectly mirrored both sides, so we'll see. I heard stuff that if it leans one way or the other, you get a little positive caster on the side it's leaning, so we'll see how she drives.
Oh, that's way full.
Yeah.
It's always that bad?
No, it's not that bad. So I might have to put more positive caster in that side. Like how it was set up.
So you go up higher with the...
Yeah. Yeah, that's pulling pretty bad.
Woo! Pop, pop, pop. Stable. Rear end feel any different to you?
No, not really. Let's go through
I
here.
mean, it shouldn't. But...
Let's go through here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, rear end. Dude, it's like you don't even have a rear end in this truck. The front hits so much harder than the rear.
All right, today, this is going in this, and that is going in that.
A lot of calories.
It's Coke Zero, it's okay.
Deaver plus 4 HDs going on my Raptor, and did the -1 drop shackles. Yeah, did the drop shackles because it's gonna be too tall. And I'm just doing 1.5 inch collars up front, the Camburg ones. I got the bump drops for now because I'm not made of money. Can't buy the bump kits yet. You can't actually see how much I've been sagging because I have the RSI and everything off. Because that's sold. I've been breaking everything with all the how worn out the rear springs are. They're just twisting up and snagging everything and breaking everything.
God, this is like 6 inches.
Yeah, it's gonna be huge.
for a little bit.
Yeah, GFC goes on the 27th of May, so it'll sag again.
What's the countdown trip? 37 days?
So Oregon?
Yeah, it's 35 days.
Yeah. Of course, we all bought brand new shit before Oregon. And then Aaron's Cummins crawler on, was it Cummins crawler? That's on Instagram.
YouTube is because I can.
YouTube's because I can. You can watch this Janus 76 swap.
Janus 70 swap.
Yeah, Janus 76.
Okay.
It's a Janus 76 swap on a 2nd gen Cummins. Also King 3-inch coilovers up front.
Thuren long arms.
No, those are a different company.
Oh, okay.
He's already had those.
Yeah, but he said
He's swapping all that crap in and putting in a new rebuilt trans because That thing sucked. All right, got the tires off. So far this goes. Hopefully it's high enough. Okay, cool. I was
Yes,
gonna be like,
you're right there.
yeah, I was like, are you serious?
Forward.
You gotta cut them on both sides, basically.
Yeah.
We may have to go get a good.
You got a grinder?
It's not gonna go up in there enough.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go buy a fucking Milwaukee bit.
You mean a blade?
Yeah.
Well, figure out what this size is and we'll go get the deep side for it too.
Yeah. I think you noticed that.
Getting rid of garbage. Head around the store, get Milwaukee blades. See how this works here. Damn.
I just kept at it.
Yep.
Get the first spring out. Oh, it looks exactly the same. I don't know. Is it going to be any different? I can't tell the difference. Do the bump drop really quick and throw the new ones in.
Most important mod is installed. That's now ready for Baja. How much force can those take?
Just enough to bend the frame.
Perfect. Halfway done? Halfway done. I don't feel so good.
Shit's raked beyond belief. But front end's about to go up 1.5 inches. It'll be good. I can imagine full +4s, like without the drop. No shops around do anything around here. You gotta wait like 6 months.
And no one can drive.
So we got two full sets of compressors to get the collar on. It wasn't really that hard, especially with 2 full sets.
Did you ever grow up in the YOLO generation? Then spring compressors are for you. This is done. That's done.
First test drive. Feels good. Rear's obviously a little stiffer because they're HDs and I got nothing in the bed. But I kind of know of a jump. We're gonna go see. No.
Get you a mat. Flat.
Yeah.
It just looked weird.
Right?
That feels so much better.
Yeah, it does.
You're not pitching back.
Yeah.
Sorry for the wind noise. It's like 78 in Washington, which means like picture 110 in Arizona, and that's how we feel.
Yep.
Exactly.
Well, you got AC, but it kind of feels cool to roll the windows down.
Yeah.
We haven't been able to for what, 8 months?
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
He's doing it. He's
Jesus!
gonna hit hard.
Holy shit!
Oh, we missed it. Man.
We did.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that came off the ground. Damn, that was smooth.
That was so smooth.
Dude, we got to jump here.
Oh my
Oh
God.
damn.
You gotta hit it harder going in. One more time.
Can I go one more time? I don't know. Overview my freaking.
How fast you hit it? The first time? 40?
60.
Oh, 60?
The first time I ever hit it was 45. So,
Interesting.
There you go.
Just roll in at 30.
Yeah.
Hey, there's nothing down there.
Right?
Where's that garage sale at?
That is too funny.
It's the first time through here. I've never been here.
People on the porch are gonna be like, what the fuck?
That's awesome.
One day we got to set up and have a camera out. Like
Yeah.
leave a GoPro.
Would be a good idea.
Like put it out, wait a little bit, and then go down.
Yeah.
Maybe action cancel the battery doesn't matter.
Yeah. Seriously. This one hit a jump 4 times at like 60 and 70. I don't have stabilization on it. Looks good. It's probably only going to settle like a quarter to half an inch. That's what most of the guys said. And then dropping the weight on, it's probably only going to go down another half inch. Oh, yeah.
Not like right at. I was gonna say measure it, but. Oh, you're recording?
Did it even move?
No. Get off again?
Well, it takes 500 pounds to where they should sit.
Yeah, maybe like a quarter inch.
Okay. So I might be at the most 3/4 or an inch lower
Yeah.
in the end. And that'll be good.
Yeah.